The mini meme coin on Solana is going up like a hockey stick. The question is this manipulation or is this proper demand by retail? Let's have a look at how much longer this rally can last using on-chain analytics. So here we are currently at 7 cents. The price went up by 15% today alone, and it's the 6th largest trending token on Solana when ordered by liquidity. There's $2.8 million in that liquidity pool. Now it seems always a bit dangerous looking for tokens directly on DEX screener, right? There's a lot of honeypots, there's a lot of scams. Let's have a look at the security rating. So over here we've got the DEX tool page of Mini, and it's got a 99 out of 99 security audit pass. So no worries on that front. Now I'm not going to walk you through the website and bore you with the marketing jazz. This is not how we can get an edge in crypto. We want to know the data most people aren't looking at. So let's start off with the simple things. For example, we've got around 10,000 holders on Solana. And that compares to, what, 500 members in Telegram? That's odd. But there we go. There's also a second Telegram channel. And that's got 3,000. So now it makes more sense. Now here's the chart why Mini is an exciting token. I rarely see charts like this. This is the number of first-time traders per day in the token, and that comes directly from the Solana chain. Normally we only have 100 to 200 new users, but this shot up rapidly starting on the 5th of October and is now at around 1,500 new wallets every day. Now what's even better is that yesterday we have seen more first-time traders than recurring traders. We don't see that often. So that means that the investor base is growing. It's growing very, very quickly. And the more investors there are in the token, the higher the price, of course, can go. The trading volume is pretty equally split and doesn't favor any size. So small retail is all the wallets that have less than $1,000 worth of the token. Medium retail goes all the way to 10,000, large retail all the way to 100,000. And whales is then everything above 100,000. It looks like the trading volume is not necessarily dominated by the whales, and it also doesn't look like retail is losing ground. Again, because a lot of new wallets enter. Now what does fluctuate though is the interest in the token, and that causes quite some price fluctuations as well. This is the trading volume over time measured in US dollars, and again this is split by the different wallet cohorts. Attention really comes in waves, and currently we are rather high on that attention, and unfortunately that's not good because there is a positive correlation between trading volume and price. When trading volume is very low, the price is low. When trading volume is very high, the price is high as well. Now here's the number of small holders over time. Now how is a small holder defined? It's a wallet that has at least 10,000 mini tokens. At the current price, that's a bit over $700. Again, this comes in waves. And have a look here at the bottom, 13, 14, 15 of July. We will come back to that in a second. But here's something that I want to point out. Had you bought around that point when the momentum turned around, you would now be up by more than 2,600%. So the number of retail wallets only grows by a bit over 50, maybe around 60%, and the price can go up that massively. Now let's check the larger wallet. So that's now a 10x a minimum holding. That's minimum roughly $7,000 worth of the token at current prices. And we can see how the growth isn't as steady. Here's another 10x, so that's now $70,000 worth of the token. And here this goes pretty flat. So the whales aren't really buying, they aren't really selling. Or let's say at least the number of whales isn't really changing. And so again, here are all the charts side by side. Something happened around the 13 to 15 of July. And I will show you what happened here. In Premium, we've got various features. One of them is our altcoin chats. And we talk about how various people buy and sell. And of course, we're using on-chain analytics for that. Now check this out. Paulo.sol bought some mini tokens at a price of 0.7 cents. Now we are not at 0.7, but we are at 7 cents, so a 10x since then. Who is Paulo.sol? It's a very successful trader that made 9.5 million with Dog with Het and another 7 million with Bowden. And of course, also another 6 million with Bonk. And so we are following Paulo.sol. We've got 6 of his wallets that give us signals like this, right? This is an automatically generated message from a wallet tracker. And besides those 6 wallets, we also have 419 other wallets of various influencers and various other successful traders. And so this is how I think we can get an edge in the market. It's buying when trading volume is low, and it's buying when the successful people, the smart money, is buying as well. And so there's a link to Premium down below. It's thebitcoinstrader.com. There's also a link to the free Telegram. So the free Telegram doesn't have all the features, but still, if your portfolio doesn't yet justify Premium, then that's the place to join. Looking very much forward to chatting with you. Cheers.